Hi, I'm Janera. I'm the Executive Director at Ocean Connectors, and our education programs empower generations of future environmental stewards. Our eco-tours serve double duty by providing education in the community as well as sustainable funding for our education programs. This accelerator would enable us to increase that much needed funding. We would be able to scale up in a sustainable way. Currently, we teach in grades 3 through 6, and this next year we hope to get in grades kindergarten through 12, creating an iterative and scaffolded learning experience that could have huge impacts. We thank you so much.
Ocean Connectors is an award-winning organization that focuses on teaching kids about migratory animals and the impact they have in our world.
The Fish and Wildlife Service has working with Ocean Connectors out here to bring students from National City to restore coastal sage scrub habitat. So all this area that you guys see within the fences have been planted by students since 2008 to restore the habitat.
I like that we get to be outside and it's a win-win because we get to help nature and stuff.
It's just something different because we are usually always in the classroom, so to come outside and make the connection between textbooks and reality is just super, it's on a different level.
You get to come out, you get to see amazing wildlife, amazing beautiful spots in San Diego Bay, and all of the proceeds from that go directly back to benefiting our students and learning about ocean conservation.
These tours allow the community to connect with the local environments, and that supports the schoolwork. So it's a win-win for the whole community.
Ocean Connectors accomplishes 3 goals. Educate students to increase academic engagement and success, inspire youth to practice environmental conservation and stewardship, and connect children with hands-on coastal learning opportunities.